10 years ago, the idea of owning an intelligent humanoid robot or an AI-powered robot dog sounded impossible. Something you would only see in science fiction movies or billion-dollar tech labs. But today, the future has officially arrived. And honestly, it's moving faster than anyone expected. In this video, we're comparing two of the most futuristic consumer robots on Earth. Machines so advanced that they genuinely blur the line between technology and intelligent companionship. On one side, we have the breathtaking Unitree G1 humanoid robot, a next-generation humanoid AI machine engineered to walk, balance, and interact with shockingly human-like movement. And on the other side, we have the incredibly agile Unitree Go 2 Air robot dog, a futuristic AI companion built for intelligent navigation, ultra-fluid mobility, and cinematic robotic interaction that instantly dominates attention online. But here's the real question. If you could only choose one futuristic robot for your home, creator studio, gaming setup, or AI collection, which one is actually worth your money? Today, we're breaking down realism, movement quality, AI interaction, futuristic appeal, entertainment value, content creation potential, and which robot truly feels like the future. And before we begin, check the links in the description right now because advanced robotics products like these can go out of stock extremely fast, especially after viral exposure online. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at robotics the same way again. Round 1. The future of humanoid AI, Unitree G1 humanoid robot. There are certain moments in technology that completely change the way humans imagine the future. The first smartphone, the first electric supercar, the rise of artificial intelligence. And honestly, watching the Unitree G1 humanoid robot move for the first time feels like one of those moments. Because this isn't just another tech gadget. This is the kind of machine that makes people stop talking mid-sentence and simply stare. The moment the G1 stands upright and begins walking, your brain immediately realizes something important. Science fiction is no longer fiction anymore. The Unitree G1 represents one of the most advanced consumer-facing humanoid robotics platforms currently available, combining AI-powered movement systems, precision engineering, dynamic balance control, and human-like mobility into a machine that genuinely feels years ahead of modern technology. And what makes the experience so powerful is how natural the movement actually feels. Humanoid robotics is one of the hardest engineering challenges in existence because humans constantly perform thousands of tiny balance corrections every second without even thinking about it. Replicating that through robotics requires insane levels of AI coordination, stabilization mechanics, and motion precision. Yet somehow, the G1 manages to create movement that feels fluid, intentional, and almost disturbingly lifelike. Every step looks calculated, every turn feels intelligent, and every interaction creates that cinematic futuristic feeling people have imagined for decades. This is exactly why humanoid robots dominate social media engagement. Humans are naturally wired to react emotionally to human-like motion, so when audiences see a robot standing, balancing, turning, and moving with realistic coordination, curiosity instantly explodes. And for content creators, that curiosity becomes pure gold. Even simple footage of the G1 walking through a room looks cinematic. Viewers immediately stop scrolling because the visual experience feels unreal. Every movement creates suspense because audiences subconsciously keep asking themselves the same question. How is this even possible? And honestly, that reaction is the G1's biggest strength. It doesn't feel like technology from today. It feels like technology from 2035 accidentally arrived early. But beyond the visual spectacle, the engineering here is genuinely impressive. Unlike novelty robots that simply repeat basic animations, the G1 is built as a serious humanoid robotics platform designed for AI experimentation, advanced interaction, robotics development, and futuristic mobility research. This means the robot isn't limited to scripted gimmicks. Instead, it's engineered as a sophisticated AI machine capable of adaptive movement and intelligent performance development. Another reason the G1 feels so premium is the refinement of the overall design. Many robotics products still feel experimental or unfinished, but the G1 looks polished from every angle. The motion systems, structural engineering, stabilization mechanics, and overall design language communicate one thing very clearly: this is serious next-generation robotics technology. And then there's the psychological effect of owning a humanoid robot. The moment this machine enters a room, everything changes. Conversations stop. Phones come out instantly. Guests start recording videos. Everyone wants to watch it move. Because unlike traditional gadgets, humanoid robots create emotional presence. They don't just sit passively like a smartphone or gaming console. They actively transform the atmosphere around them. For futuristic gaming setups, luxury smart homes, creator studios, or AI-themed content spaces, the G1 becomes an instant centerpiece. And if you run a faceless YouTube channel, this robot is basically built for audience retention. Every movement creates visual curiosity. Every interaction feels unpredictable. And every scene increases watch time because viewers can't stop watching what the robot might do next. This is exactly the type of futuristic product that boosts CTR because thumbnails instantly look more advanced, mysterious, and emotionally engaging. Now let's talk about realism. One of the reasons humanoid robots feel so emotionally powerful is because humans instinctively compare robotic movement to themselves. Tiny posture adjustments, balance transitions, and movement coordination all determine whether a robot feels believable or not. And the G1 performs these transitions incredibly well, which is why it feels dramatically more immersive than lower-end humanoid systems. And perhaps the most exciting part of owning a humanoid robot is what it represents. Most people buy gadgets that become outdated within a year or two. But owning a humanoid robot feels different because you're not just buying entertainment. You're buying access to a technological category that will likely define the future of AI itself. For robotics enthusiasts, STEM educators, AI developers, futuristic tech collectors, and viral content creators, the possibilities here become enormous. The G1 can function as an educational tool, AI development platform, futuristic demonstration machine, viral content generator, and luxury conversation piece all at the same time. Battery optimization and movement efficiency also help maintain immersion during longer demonstrations and interactive sessions. And that consistency matters because futuristic products only feel truly premium when the experience remains smooth and reliable over time. But perhaps the most impressive thing about the Unitree G1 is this: once you see a humanoid robot move like this in person, the future suddenly stops feeling distant. It starts feeling inevitable. Round 2. The AI robot dog that feels alive. Unitree Go 2 Air Robot Dog. Now, while humanoid robots are designed to imitate humans, the Unitree Go 2 Air takes a completely different approach to futuristic robotics. Instead of copying human behavior, this machine focuses on intelligent mobility, advanced AI navigation, fluid robotic movement, and interactive companionship. And honestly, that might make it even more impressive. Because the first time you watch the Go 2 Air move, something strange happens. Your brain stops seeing a robot and starts seeing a robotic creature. That's how natural the movement feels. The Unitree Go 2 Air is an AI-powered quadruped robot engineered for agility, balance, responsiveness, and futuristic interaction. Unlike humanoid robots that constantly battle gravity while balancing on two legs, four-legged robotic systems naturally move with greater stability and energy efficiency. And because of that, the Go 2 Air delivers movement that feels incredibly smooth, controlled, and believable. Every turn feels sharp. Every step feels balanced. Every movement feels calculated. And the result is one of the most visually satisfying robotics experiences you can currently own. The design itself immediately looks futuristic. Sleek mechanical lines, advanced robotic engineering, and cinematic movement combine to create something that honestly feels like it belongs inside a high-budget sci-fi movie. But what truly separates the Go-2 Air from ordinary robotics products is how emotionally engaging it becomes once it starts interacting. Humans naturally connect with dog-like movement patterns. That emotional familiarity creates instant attachment. So unlike many traditional robots that can sometimes feel cold or mechanical, the Go-2 Air feels interactive, expressive, and surprisingly alive. This is one of the biggest reasons robot dogs dominate online engagement. Audiences don't just watch them, they emotionally react to them. And for content creators, that's incredibly powerful. Every movement becomes visually addictive. Watching the robot run, stabilize itself, navigate obstacles, or dynamically react instantly grabs attention because viewers subconsciously treat the machine like a living AI companion. That emotional engagement dramatically increases audience retention because people genuinely want to keep watching what the robot does next. And honestly, very few tech products can create that effect. The mobility system here is also seriously impressive. Because quadruped robots distribute balance across 4 contact points, they naturally perform better across uneven surfaces and dynamic movement situations. This allows the Go-2 Air to move with more confidence, stability, and adaptability than many humanoid systems currently available. And this is where robotic dogs may actually represent the more practical future of consumer robotics. While humanoid robots focus heavily on realism and emotional spectacle, robotic dogs focus on efficient movement, intelligent navigation, and interaction consistency. That practicality could make them far more useful in real-world environments long-term. But even beyond practicality, this thing is simply incredible to watch. The robot moves with smooth robotic confidence that feels futuristic in the best possible way. It doesn't stumble awkwardly. It doesn't feel clunky. Instead, it behaves like an advanced AI machine purpose-built for intelligent movement and responsive interaction. And the AI interaction side adds another layer of immersion. The Go-2 Air doesn't feel like a simple remote-controlled gadget repeating animations. Instead, the responsive movement system and dynamic interaction patterns create a much more believable robotics experience. That realism is what keeps audiences fascinated. Another huge advantage here is accessibility. Humanoid robots can sometimes feel intimidating or overly experimental for casual buyers. But robotic dogs feel immediately understandable. The interaction style feels emotionally familiar, which makes the experience easier to enjoy instantly, even for people completely new to robotics. And from a futuristic lifestyle perspective, this thing absolutely dominates. Place it inside a modern creator studio, luxury gaming room, futuristic office, or AI-powered smart home, and it instantly becomes the visual centerpiece of the entire environment. People immediately want demonstrations. Social media clips explode with curiosity, and viewers stay engaged because the robot simply looks unbelievable in motion. For STEM education, robotics experimentation, and AI mobility research, the Go-2 Air also becomes an incredible platform for exploring intelligent navigation systems, quadruped robotics, and future AI interaction models. Battery performance and movement efficiency further improve the ownership experience because the robot maintains smoother long-duration operation during demonstrations and interaction sessions. That reliability matters because futuristic robotics should feel seamless, not frustrating. But the real reason people fall in love with robotic dogs is much simpler than technical specs. They're fun. Seriously fun. Every movement feels futuristic. Every interaction feels exciting. And every demonstration reminds you that humanity is officially entering the robotics era. The Go-To Air doesn't just show you the future. It lets you interact with it. Which futuristic robot should you choose? So after comparing both next-generation AI robotic systems, which one actually wins? If you want the most jaw-dropping futuristic experience possible, something cinematic, human-like, emotionally immersive, and unbelievably advanced, then the Unitree G1 humanoid robot delivers an experience that honestly feels revolutionary. Watching a humanoid machine move with realistic coordination creates a level of emotional impact that very few technologies can match. But if you want smoother movement, better agility, more practical mobility, stronger operational consistency, and a futuristic AI companion that feels incredibly engaging every single day, then the Unitree Go-To Air robot dog may actually be the smarter long-term robotics experience. Either way, one thing is now undeniable. The age of consumer AI robotics has officially begun. And these machines prove that the line between science fiction and reality is disappearing faster than anyone ever imagined. If you want to check current pricing or availability, make sure to check the links in the description right now, because advanced robotics products like these often sell out quickly after viral exposure online. And now we want to know, if you could own only one futuristic AI robot, would you choose the humanoid robot or the robot dog? If you enjoyed this futuristic showdown, smash the like button, subscribe to Review Mastery, and turn on notifications for more next-generation tech reviews coming very soon.